Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Rivals and confirming your account is logged in. This prevents lost messages. Enable chat and emoji permissions in settings so the game can access your keyboard and stickers. Once done, join a lobby or open a friend chat to prepare a live test. You do this now because early testing saves time later. If the emoji set fails, you'll spot it before a match. Make sure notifications are on so you see delivery and appearance during gameplay. You pick emoji based on context, quick reactions, taunts, or coordination. Use the in-game emoji set first for consistent display across platforms. If unavailable, switch to your system keyboard. Once chosen, assign favorites to quick access slots or create macros so you send them with one tap. Combine an emoji with a short phrase to avoid misinterpretation. Why this matters is clarity under pressure. Practice sending different combos in a private match to confirm timing and visibility before competitive play. You now send emoji with intention, time reactions during pauses, or right after game-changing moves to communicate effectively. Make sure to check cross-platform appearance so teammates see the same symbols and respect mute or tournament rules to avoid penalties. If emoji fail, restart the app, verify chat and keyboard permissions, and ensure your emoji pack is updated. Reinstall if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the game cache before reinstalling, because that often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.